Warm it up in this mother.
We like it, man. We like it. We like
I want to ask a question tonight. How many people on Twitter? None of y'all on Twitter out here? Y'all got no service? Y'all better follow me at Trigger Trench. At Trigger Trench. Y'all better follow me tonight so I can let y'all know what's going on.
How about Instagram?
Go on Instagram.
Instagram?
L-Town Inc. Get at me. How many people tired of these damn mobile planes taking all your damn money, man? How many people came to party tonight, y'all?